Basfore, who was part of the upcoming season of Manoj Bajpayee's hit web series The Family Man 3, was reportedly found dead at the Garbhanga Waterfalls near Guwahati on Sunday. According to the officials, the actor had gone for a picnic with a group of friends when the incident occurred. As per local authorities, he is believed to have accidentally fallen into the waterfall. The State Disaster Response Force recovered his body after several hours of search and rescue operations. The body was handed over to the Rani police outpost and sent for post-mortem. While initial reports suggest accidental drowning, authorities are waiting for the medical report to determine the exact cause of death. Reportedly, authorities have also stated that no foul play is suspected at this stage, though investigations are still ongoing. However, the actor's family has raised concerns, alleging possible foul play. They have claimed that his phone was switched off around noon and insist he did not know how to swim. These claims are being looked into by the local police. For people who don't know, Rohit, a resident of Guwahati, was also known as a martial arts and gymnastics coach. He had recently started working in OTT projects and had shared behind-the-scenes photos from The Family Man 3, where he was seen alongside Jaideep Alawat, a new edition of the season. His sudden death has left his friends, family, and the local creative community deeply shocked. May his soul rest in peace.